Alright, sunny people, it's your boy Sunny T. It's another sunny day. It's a sunny day somewhere. It's gonna be hopefully a sunny day here. I'm at Mudmill Pond. I'm, hoodied up, but it's about 60 degrees. It is almost 2 o'clock on Wednesday, first Wednesday of the month. As I was saying, I'm at Mudmill, and I'm gonna do a PSA, I suppose, because they're actually doing work on the bridge and maybe the dam at Mudmill. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I had to actually drive around to the Maryland side to try to launch because they're doing work over there. So I decided to try and do a little improvised launch here on the side, and hopefully that's okay. So yeah, I did a video last week. I want to say it was just last week today, and I tried to do a video. I went out fishing and it was raining and it was nasty, but boy oh boy did I caught fish to beat the van. It was crazy. But that footage corrupted, so we're gonna try again. It's very similar. Today is very similar to the day that I went and caught fish till my hands hurt. So I'm hoping that today will be similar and I'll be able to work that same pattern. But we're gonna see. Y'all are gonna see. That was at Killins, which is a very clear lake. This is Mudmill, which, I mean, it's in the name. So, but like I was telling Sonny K, Mudmill has 3 of the features that I'm looking for. Killins Pond only had 1. So I'm gonna paddle over to this big gigantic sand flat. I shouldn't say big gigantic, but big for Delaware, big for this area, Delaware period really. There's this big sand flat that the creek dumps all of this sand in when it comes in to make this lake, which is exactly the pattern that I was on last week. So I'm gonna try it here in Mudmill. Yeah, Sonic people, hook your boy up. I think we're at 350 subs, if I'm not mistaken. We're doing it. We are in here. Like, give me a thumbs up with the like, subscribe, share, tell somebody, and then tell somebody else, and hopefully they tell somebody. I'm not really ready for the winter, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do for winter, but we'll figure out something. We'll try to keep kicking you out some content, some advice, some tips, some help. But here we are. We're gonna try to keep y'all in mind, try to keep entertaining and educating. Let me show y'all what I did that would work so well for me last week, which is this chartreuse with the multi-pepper, which is like red and green pepper, and I put that on a 32nd of an ounce VMC jig head, and they ate it until the sun was gone. and they were still eating it after the sun was gone, but I couldn't stick around no more. Plus my hand hurt, plus I had to paddle. I literally caught over 50 fish, not to mention the one big bass that I caught. So yeah, I meant to bring a coin. Miss D always says to put a coin next to what I'm fishing so we can have some type of scale. Well, I didn't bring a coin, but I did bring a GoPro battery. So here you go. They ate this thing like it was going out of style last time. And good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise, but not the native people, but the water body, because I mean, I don't really know. I didn't know that they were doing work on the dam, or at least on the bridge of the dam. So I was already out here, and it's an hour away from where I am. And I don't really have a backup plan, because there's not really a backup plan in this region, at least on the Delaware side. So this is it. As the late Michael Jackson would say, this is it. And if the creek does rise, and if something does happen to that to the dam, it's going to be a very, very interesting video, to say the least. Fishing on the 6'9" old school, like the first generation St. Croix panfish rod, one piece, 6'9", ultralight, fast action, with, I want to say, 6-pound test, nanofill, Berkeley nanofill in the green color, with a size 25 Fluger Supreme XT that we got last year, about this time actually, last year, because Bass Pro Shop had them on sale for like more than 50 bucks off, so we got a few of them. But yeah, here we are, sunny people. I don't know if they'll be on the flat. I actually saw a big hatch. Uh-oh, something just waked in front of me. I saw a big hatch, ooh, of insects. There we are. That's what I want to see. I don't really know what's going on over there. Let's find out. I saw a big hatch of insects mid-lake, but I decided to try my pattern first. I can always go over there and see what I can see. Crap. Did y'all see that? Oh, there he goes. And that's exactly... Okay, yeah. Alright, we're still in here. We still know how to catch fish. That's a big crappie, I think. No, it's a big bluegill. No, it's a crappie. Oh no, I forgot my board. Nice crappie. He swallowed it. Nice crappie. Y'all see I got my board, my bag. I think we're gonna let this one live. Look how the muddy water makes this one not as very distinctly spotted. Still a beautiful fish. At least I think so. Especially since it's a back-to-back. Isn't that right, booty? Anything bigger than you, we keeping it. Ooh, yeah, attitude. See if there's still one there. I think they may like this chartreuse jig. What is that? Another crop. Nope, I don't think it is a crop. If it's a crappie, it's a big one. Nope, it's a bass. I'm just gonna kind of get him up here. Thank you, Mr. Bass. Oh, he barely knew. Can't say he barely had it. He had it good enough. You've been eating, buddy. Yeah, you have. You're doing good. What is it? What is it? Bass? Crop. It's a small one. He ate it. Well, they're seeing it pretty good. Aren't you, booty? When they eat it like that, it's doing something right. Man, buddy. Yeah, I know. We're trying. There you go.